Looking for a fun and festive dessert for your holiday party? How about Christmas Santa Hat Cupcakes? These treats are a breeze to whip up, embodying the merry spirit of Christmas with their adorable Santa hat design and tantalizing taste. Intrigued? Stick around to learn how to make these delightful cupcakes. To make these festive treats, gather the following ingredients: cake mix, eggs, water, oil, butter, powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract. Don't forget the red food coloring, sugar cones, and mini marshmallows. With these ingredients ready, it's time to start baking. First, we'll bake the cupcakes. Start by combining your cake mix, eggs, water, and oil in a large bowl. Stir these together until the mixture is smooth and fully combined. Next, pour the batter into a muffin tin, filling each cup about 2/3 full to allow for rising. Once that's done, it's time to place your tin in a preheated oven. Let the cupcakes bake until they're golden and fluffy. After baking, take them out and let them cool. While the cupcakes cool, we'll prepare the frosting. Now, for the fun part, decorating. We start by preparing the frosting. Take your softened butter, combine it with the powdered sugar, and then beat them together until it's nice and fluffy. Add in a splash of milk and a hint of vanilla extract for that sweet, creamy taste. Now let's split the frosting into 2 parts. One part will be colored red using food coloring to create our Santa hat. Now comes the creative bit. Frost your cupcakes with the white frosting first, then take a sugar cone and cover it with the red frosting. Place the cone on top and voila, you have a Santa hat. But let's not forget the fluffy brim and tip. Add mini marshmallows to finish it off. And there you have it, adorable and tasty Christmas Santa Hat Cupcakes. These cupcakes are sure to be a hit at any holiday party. With just a few simple steps, you've created festive, delicious treats that are as fun to make as they are to eat. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more delicious and festive treats. Happy baking!